Simple but powerful. Today, I am going to take a live trade right in front of you using a specific strategy. We will be using two indicators, and I'll show you how to make a live profit. Keep an eye on the time. Look at the chart here. You can see a liquidity sweep. If you look closely, the market has continuously liquidated the short sellers. But now its direction is clear. I am going to short/sell this. I will explain the logic behind taking this trade in a moment. Note the time and check the accuracy of this trade. As soon as we opened it, our trade is already running in profit. I opened this position specifically so that you can also understand take profit, TP, stop loss, SL, and risk management. Now, our goal will be to hold the trade until the next liquidity pool. But make sure you keep tracking the time. Our target will be up to this level, giving us a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. Check the momentum here. If you look closely, people have bought in, thinking it will make another higher high. But the inside data shows something else. The market has reversed from here. First, the market heavily liquidated the shorts. And now it will definitely come down to hit the stop losses of the longs, meaning those who bought long. Keep tracking the time as we go. I won't hide a single thing from you. Unlike other YouTubers, I am going to reveal everything openly. You won't find content like this anywhere else. So subscribe to the channel to learn how the real market works. Now, look and understand the full logic. Why I took the trade, on what basis, and what I saw before entering. Look over here. At this spot, the market swept the liquidity of the long buyers, liquidated them, and then went back up in that same direction. Next, whoever had shorted/sold here got their SL hit. Then, people shorted again from this point, thinking the market made a lower high and would continue making lower lows. But no, the market created another higher high here just to wipe out those with slightly larger accounts, holding short positions, or to hit their SL. The market continuously made higher highs, clearing all the short sellers out of the way. Whoever shorted saw their account wiped out. Now, understand this market rule. Whenever the market aggressively liquidates one side, it reverses in that exact direction. We saw that the market heavily liquidated the sellers/shorts further back. And now the market has to head towards its actual correct direction, which is a short/sell. That is why we combined this with the EMA and opened our short position, which is currently running in profit right before your eyes. Note the time of the trade and look at the accuracy. You tell me, isn't that a beautiful move? Our 1:2 target has been achieved, and the market has hit our first take profit, TP. Now, we will trail our target and move our SL to the entry point so that our risk is completely eliminated. After booking some profit, we will move our SL to the first TP. Now subscribe.